Hello and welcome back to Kawsar Technologies. This is session 17 of Complete Library Management System using Java Swing and MySQL database. In today's session, we are going to show the final result of student form. As you can see, the student form is completed and now we can insert a new student information with image, we can edit the current student information, and we can delete student information from the database, as well as we can generate a professional student ID card. Anyway, let's insert a new student. For example, Adam, John, and here we will select faculty, for example, computer science. Let's browse student image. Here we have a folder, student images, Let's find the folder. Let's select image. Thereafter, we want to click on the save button. As you can see, record has been added successfully. That is so good. And here you can find the current record. Yes, the record is saved into the database. Thereafter, you can edit the current record by clicking the edit button. Okay, thereafter you can edit current student information. For example, here we will write Adam John, and here we want to update student image also. Let's select student image. For example, this one. Let's update the student information. As you can see, record has been updated successfully. That is good. As you can see, the student information is updated with image. Thereafter, we want to generate ID card. Let's save the card. And here we want to select, for example, a folder. And we want to select desktop. And here we want to find student images folder. Here we have the folder. Okay, the card is generated. Let's close that. That is good. As you can see, a professional student ID card is also generated. Let's close that. Okay, finally we want to delete a student record. Just click on the delete button. As you can see, record has been deleted successfully. That is good. So, we completed the student registration form with all actions, like insert a new student, update current student information, delete current student information from the database, and generate a professional student ID card. And if you're ready, please write a comment to start Manage Books form. In the next video, we'll start working on the book form. We will design the book form and we will add features like how we can add a new book, how we can update the current book information, how we can delete book information from the database, how we can fetch specific book information from the database, and we will show all books information in a table. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and continue the series. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.